up to the second floor. There's an elevator.
You found all rather plain.
Wow. Start here. History. Look at this, the aviary history. Look at that. Across the ice. That's crazy. History of the museum.
This museum, built up from humble beginnings, these treasures, from the great science of Egypt to the daring feats of Niagara.
Look at that with the guy with the wheelbarrow.
The adventures I've known, but there was
What?
one legend, one that haunted my
On wires.
The people walking over the river and
the
stuff.
lost kingdom of birds.
There's one of those barrels or some type.
Look at the one right to your left there. Look at his barrel. Those are the barrels they were using ready to go over the falls.
All the daredevils.
Mm-hmm. See how they were walking tightropes?
Oh yeah. Annie Taylor. Here you go, Ryan. Hey, dude. Go stand in the barrel.
Oh my gosh.
It's a fun pick. Winged warriors. That has to do with all the pigeons and such used during the wars. Wow.
What a good idea. Have a barrel for the kids.
The lost kingdom of birds, my greatest expedition, one that cost me everything. I had to leave it all behind to uncover the truth. Join me on that expedition. On the other side of the blue light, relive the journey with me.
Ooh. Hey,
Yeah.
I know you. Here's a little bird. Oh, look at the tortoises. Look at that. Up there. think he's trying to peck his way out.
But she's going to sleep. Or she's
And they got blue on
the green one too? Here.
Hello.
Hey, Jane. Hello, Jane.
This way. Hey, 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 hey. Is this where the... Oh my. He in there. Yeah. He's sleeping. No one up there. I think there's one in there that keeps moving.
What a fun!
Jerusalem on the donkey. The white that means.
I guess that's a little finch. Yep. Wow. Oh, there's another one over here. Aww. Wow, that's a pretty one.
He looks like maybe a parakeet. Yep, it sure is. He's a parakeet.
Hello? Look at that. Look at the back here on the ground. He's sitting.
Yeah. We gotta look at the time because we have our feeding it for him.
Wow. He's resting back there.
Have a good day.
Nope.
This morning I went in and I went to go check my email and my account was locked. Right. I reached out to Dragon through regular email. Like, they'll just say, I don't like this, but then you know the day that you're in a meeting, well, what did you do wrong? And then we finally talk to them, it's always different from what you say. Dragon has the same problem with him. And so, yeah, it's a very volatile, not communicated
Whoa.
Because I don't know, it's just like this. And I'm starting to see the pattern.
Look at them. They look like plastic figurines, don't they? Except for that one just jumped. Wow. Pretty. Poison arrow frogs. Look down if you dare. There's riches down there. Plenty of riches. Is there an owl in here? Oh, he's right there. Hard to see him. See his outline. Wow. Egyptian fruit bats. Look at them. All huddled together. I know you.
Oh, my. What did I just walk into? What did I just walk into?
Well, pretty. Look at them all.
I was talking to him. I said, I know when you're near, the Lord is near.
Look right here.
They're not Korean, they're from another country.
We're behind the falls again.
Don't touch the water. That's a female. You can't get in with everyone.
Look how big he is.
Oh, there he is. When I had my dream about going to glory, and I walked into the throne room behind him. And I walked into the throne room and saw all the windows. And I asked the Lord, and asked him about why he was opening the windows, and he said, I can see all my creation. A lot of them were birds. Most of the creation I saw the birds, like I saw the colors of birds.
Yeah.
There's so many birds in the sky, and so many different colors. Can you sit over to look at that?
That's already. He's down there making food. Look at them all piled up over there. Getting underneath those heat lamps.